Tax season has started, and while there are a few things on that to-do list, one of them is to sort out who will prepare your taxes, right? Well, Fox 5 team's Dana Fowle is here with tips on finding the right fit.
And there are quite a few ways to file your taxes. I mean, you got to do them. So let's get over that part, but you got to do them. But before you get started, decide the level of detail you'll need and, of course, what your budget considerations are. And at the top of that list are attorneys and certified public accountants. A lawyer comes in when you're in a dispute with the IRS, when you need somebody who specializes in estate planning or legal issues, even when you deal with international or business taxes. It's all pricey, of course. A certified public accountant or a CPA is someone who has a degree and is licensed in accounting. They can sort out complicated tax issues for you. They know the latest changes in tax laws. But this also comes with a heftier price tag. But an accounting specialist is a go-to when you have a complicated return. Now, there's this more often used entry point for tax return help. That's the enrolled agent. This person is licensed by the IRS. They have to pass an exam and can represent you in a dispute with the IRS. It's a more detailed effort than you might be able to manage yourself. But this is a really more of a budget-friendly option than an accountant or a lawyer. Whoever you use, check their credentials with their governing body. That might be the IRS for the enrolled agent. They have the certification on there, the state bar for a lawyer, or the CPA's license with the Secretary of State's office. Abby Reed there, Reed Financial Group in Swanee, says you should always check with real people, too, who've actually used them.
Talk to your friends, talk to your family, see if they've been working with a company or an individual, see what their experience is, and see if they have a good track record there.
Naturally, you can do your tax return yourself. If you are in a certain income range, the IRS has free tax help. It's called Tax Act. Go to their website, or you use big name software, TurboTax, H&R Block, TaxSlayer. It's not free, but you know the names. But make sure it is a credible source.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Okay, people use friends and family too.
Sure, they do. You know, my mom back in the day used to help people with their taxes because she knew how to do that stuff. She was not an accountant or anything like that. But know that you are letting people who are not supported by any network like the IRS have your very sensitive information. You've got to trust them. If you go this route, don't leave anything unsigned. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you're getting an unreasonably large refund. And here's one more word of warning from Ms. Reed.
They can inflate your refund, the tax preparer, take some for themselves, and then give you the rest, but that's still your tax return.